Planet Earth is our home. Undeniably, we are all from here. No matter where you live on Earth, you're from here. It's inescapable, no matter what. We just evolve differently, coming from a common vine. We evolve differently due to climate and global position. We can see the equator. That determines physical features and skin color. For instance, if we take one of these particular tomatoes, which are represented by a colored X, moving this yellow tomato with the yellow X to another region with different climatic conditions and a different equatorial geographical location and position, the color will change and evolve through evolution over time, adapting to the conditions, rendering a different skin color, perhaps even a texture, or a height, or length or width that conserves energy, or in the case of African tribesmen, are more taller and narrow, to actually dissipate heat more easily, unlike different squat regions like Alaska, or up in the higher regions of the north where it gets very cold. The shape has adapted to be smaller, more condensed, to save heat in a compact body space. Very simple process of evolution. Contrary to intelligent design, where if we were all created through intelligent design, we'd all be identical, in the same size and shape, inefficient, not evolving, and not conducive to life throughout a large region that's adapted climatically with regard to an equatorial region, where the heat is amplified due to the rotation of the planet and the position to the sun. As the shape of the sphere gets farther away from the sun, it gets colder, hence the poles being frozen. Only an idiot wouldn't understand that concept, but we'll move on, since there are a lot of idiots and we're trying to keep it simple. So, we take a different branch of our same common vine and move it to a different region. Off the equatorial plane a little bit, it changes colors. So, hence we have a different one, brown, representing Indians or American Indians or different types of aborigines. We have different evolutions, different climatic regions, taking the white tomato and moving it far away from the equator, where it gets less direct sun because of the shape of the Earth and the sphere, moving the location farther from the sun, it gets a less direct light, changing the pigment of the skin to be less dark. A simple concept that most people can understand, unless they've been damaged by racism or have a mental disorder. So, no matter how you slice it, we're all here together from the same planet, coming from the exact same vine, having been detached at some point and moving to different locations on the planet. Hence the changes in culture and ethnicity. Everyone is related, whether you like it or not.